Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to link an external bank account to Varo. If you don't have a Varo account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up, and get $50 when you join and spend $20 within 30 days of account opening. However, if you already have an account, just open the website varomoney.com, then click on Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option for View External Accounts at the lower left part of the screen. Click on View External Accounts. Under External Accounts, you will see a button that says Link an Account. Click on Link an Account. Now here, click on the option that says Instantly link your account through Plaid. So it will inform you that Varo Bank uses Plaid to connect your account. To proceed, click on Continue. Then, select the bank account you wish to link with Varo. To authenticate with your chosen bank, click on Continue. Now, sign in with your account. Next, select the account to share. Click on the tick box beside the card you wish to link. Then click on Authorize. And now your account has been successfully linked. That's how you link an external bank account to Varo. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.